I really like to listen to stuff while I'm out door dashing, but my phone overheats like crazy. Now, we have a vent right here, and we design in 3D print. So let's stop the chatter because these layers matter. Now, I already got all my measurements that I needed, so we'll just get right into this and we'll extrude this square up. Now, we'll type in the measurements that we actually need inside of this little space here. This has a really cool feature to where you can draft the face of 2 or more sides to get whatever you need for whatever angle you need. Next, we'll go and chamfer these sides here. This will act as a nice direction for the air to go and flow. We'll make sure to move this in just a little bit so that we don't have anything cut off on the bottom there. Now, we'll end up selecting this face here. This is really cool too. This has a feature where you can go and hollow things. So again, you'll just select your face right there. After selecting that face, go to the hollow tool and then move this little thing here. But I'll just type in what I need. It's 5 that I need for the wall. And then I'll just select this other wall and move it down. And there we go. We have the start to this. Now we have to finish it with doing some detailed aspects to it. I really like curved edges. So we'll go and fillet these here. And we'll do this to quite a few different items here. We'll do this to the inside and the outside. So select the inside and the outside when doing this, and you can fillet both to get a nice smooth flow from the air. Next, we'll grab these 4 right here, and we'll, for aesthetic purposes, smoothen these out and fillet these out here. Why? Because I like smooth edges. I already said that. I like small projects like these. They really don't take too long. Now, I got this done on the Ender 3 V3 Plus, and I printed it with a PLA. Now, this PLA, I think, is super cool. I mean, it's only cool in the dark, but here, I'll just show you. Let's get this off of the light here, and you can probably already see it. Oh man, that is sick. It glows so well. That's probably the best glowing aspect I've seen in something in quite a while. Let me know in the comments below if you think that that is a true comment. So now we can take our object that we 3D printed. We can put it on one of these things here. So these are the ones that you can just put into the vents right here and they'll stay. So let's go ahead and put this on beforehand. All right, nice and tight. Got it on, and it spins too. So now let's get our phone up in there too. Oh man, that works perfectly. I can feel it blowing past my whole entire phone. This is amazing. I really like this. Now, ever since I ended up putting this on with full blast, and even not even full blast, just a little bit, I don't get that overheating message anymore. And so now I can do mostly everything that I would want to do with no issues. If you like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in that next video. Peace out.